Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to create KPI card with up or down arrow indicators for percentage growth of sales. Before watching this video I suggest you to go through the links given in the description to know how to calculate YTD CYTD sales and percentage growth of sales. We need to create two separate calculated fields, one for the up arrow and one for the down arrow. So let us now create the first calculated field to show the up arrow when the percentage growth of sales is positive. Name the calculated field as sales growth up. So if CYTD versus PYTD sales, which is the difference of CYTD sales and PYTD sales, is greater than 0, then show the up arrow. So these ASCII symbols can be copied from this link. So when the condition is true, it will return the up arrow, otherwise it returns null. Let's duplicate the same field and edit. Change the name of the field as sales growth down. If CYTD versus PYTD sales is less than 0, then show the down arrow. So when the condition is true, it will return the down arrow, otherwise it returns null. So drag the percentage growth sales sales growth up, sales growth down calculated fields to the text. Change the alignment to the left. So giving the title of the KPI as sales growth. So the calculated fields created to show up arrow, down arrow, just bring them and place it before the percentage growth this year sales field. So since this is the main indicator, increase the size. Since we are comparing CYTD sales with below the KPI value, we will indicate PYTD sales. Drag and drop PYTD sales to the text. Now change the color of the sales growth up and down to green and red. So now the value is positive, so it's showing a green indicator. We'll check how it works when the value is negative. So adding the segment filter. Since we are not showing the CYTD sales anywhere in the KPI, we will add that information in the tooltip.